All right, so in this video, we're going to look at naming polygons. I almost said polynomial. So we're going to answer questions about the polygons below. So in this one, they're not going to give you the table right off the bat, but you can look in the explanation to see this table or use your notes page here that it's printed on. But the main thing about naming polygons is we're just looking at the number of sides that they have. So a three-sided figure, that one's, pretty popular. We know that one pretty well. It's a triangle. Four-sided figure is a quadrilateral. So we have a lot of different quadrilaterals. We have rectangles, we have squares, we have parallelograms, we have trapezoids. There's all kinds of quadrilaterals that have special namings. Those are special quadrilaterals. But in general, we just call it a quadrilateral. It's a four-sided figure. A five-sided figure is a pentagon, six-sided is a hexagon, seven is a heptagon, and eight is an octagon. Really, you're not going to have to go too much farther than that, but if you do, you can always look them up and say, what's the name for a 10-sided figure if you wanted to know. To answer the questions below, it's saying which one is a hexagon, which one is an octagon, and which one is a pentagon. So we're just going to go through and we're going to count the sides, and I'm going to speed this up a little bit so you can see it because it goes a little slow going all the way around. So if I were to count each side, I have 8 sides. Now, it's kind of a funny shaped 8-sided figure, but we're not worried about it being, perfect or what we call a regular polygon, meaning that they all have the same size sides. As long as it has 8 sides, then it's an 8-sided figure, okay, which we would call an octagon, okay. The next one, if we count, we have 5 sides here, so that would be called a pentagon, okay. And the last figure here, we have 7 sides here going around, so that would be called a heptagon. So now we can go through and we can match it. So hexagon didn't come up at all, so that's none. Octagon, that was our figure A, and then pentagon, that was our figure B. So this is just the basic idea of naming polygons. I hope that helped, and I will see you in the next video.